Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook sun-dried managu the right way, soft, tasty and still retains the nutrients. Managu is commonly known as African nightshade. It's a leafy green vegetable widely consumed in Kenya and other parts of East Africa, and it's very nutritious. If you love traditional vegetable, this one is for you. For this recipe, you need some dry vegetable. These ones, I made them myself, and actually I've shared a video for how to sun dry or how to preserve your leafy green vegetables. If you haven't watched it, I will share the link in the description box. You can check it, and if you can't make it yourself, let me be your plug. I do sell them. Step 1, let's rehydrate the managu. Put your sun-dried managu in a bowl, add some tap water to the managu, make sure it covers the vegetable and allow it to soak for at least 10 to 15 minutes to remove the dust. Be gentle, don't rub it with your hands, we don't want to break them. Remember, the managu is dry and brittle. In the meantime, as we wait for our vegetable to soak, let's prep our onion. I'm going to use just one medium onions. Thanks for stopping by, and if you're coming across my video for the first time, feel most welcome. And if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing, like and comment. For more amazing recipe, click the notification bell so that you will be notified if I upload a new video. Watch the video up to the end. After 10 minutes of soaking, the managu has loosened up and the dust has settled. Just use a skimmer to scoop your vegetables. This way, if it adds some soil or dust, they will remain at the bottom of the bowl. Make sure you only scoop the vegetables that were floating. The ones that sank down, forget about them. They might be having some dust with them. Discard the water. Then transfer your vegetable into a sufuria with clean water. Ensure the water is enough to cover it. Then take it to your stove and boil it for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you love them very soft, you can go up to 40 minutes, the way you do with the fresh vegetables. Do not add salt at this stage because salt makes vegetables hard. Mine is ready. This is how I like it. This way it retains some nutrients and it has retained its green color. You can't tell it was dry vegetable. Once soft, drain all the waters and set aside. Next step, let's cook the managu. Heat oil in a clean sufuria. Then add your chopped onions and cook until soft and lightly golden. I'm only using onions, so if you are using tomatoes, you can add it at this point and allow it to cook until soft and then add your boiled managu. I love my greens without tomatoes. Mix the vegetables and onions to combine well. Add salt to taste and give it a good mix. At this point, reduce it and let it simmer for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, add some milk. This is 1 cup, and some coconut cream if you like it creamy. This coconut cream will take our managu to the next level and it will make it very delicious. Give it a good mix and let it simmer on a low heat until well combined. And this is the final result. Our sun-dried managu is now ready, soft, flavorful and perfectly cooked. Let's not forget the aroma of the coconut cream. It's heavenly here. And the vegetable is nicely creamy. You can serve it hot with any accompaniment of your choice. Serving mine with brown ugali. It slaps so well with this brown ugali. I've shared the recipe of this brown ugali. Check the link in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share with someone who loves homemade traditional food. If you like traditional sun-dried vegetables, allow me to be your plug and subscribe for more simple Kenyan recipe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.